All right, guys, so what we're doing now is we're going to go to the screen room where they're actually going to print the screens. So they got one more screen to print. So we're going to check that out now. It is going to get a little bit dark, but we'll go ahead and check this out. Had no idea that fluorescent
Is it gray?
colors are in gray. That's wicked.
Just looked out over the artwork and he's getting the scope of the job. Right now he's going to set up the press. So we don't test on customer garments. As you can see here, this job is for black shirts. And we have a blue and a red shirt here. Why is that? Because we have an abundance of extra t-shirts laying around that we got from who knows where, sometimes swap meets from, sometimes the garment district. They got bags of them for super cheap. We'll grab those, we bring them here. And now he's testing on these garments, not yours. What he's doing over here is he's setting up a highlight. So your job is a 3-color print. We use a 4th screen to make it go faster. We could do this job with just doing 3 screens, but we have a lot of jobs to do. And we don't charge for this. So a lot of shops do charge for what we call a flash white. What this does is allows us to only do 1 rotation on the press. So you're gonna get your white base, flash, color, highlight, take the shirt off. A lot of shops will have it go around 1 more time to hit white on the initial thing. Well, that takes twice as long to print now. We don't want to do that. We want to get it in, we want to get it out. So the faster we can get this job off, we can get to the next job. More jobs turned over in a day, more profit for us, more customers served, more jobs gone through UPS. Everybody's happy.
So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of process that's involved to making sure that your t-shirt is going to be good to go. You know, inspection process and then approval process, so that by the time it gets on the machine ready for production, it's going to come out its best. So you're kind of paying for that and everything that you pay for screen, but the benefit, and those lights are bright. But the benefit, of course, is once again, at least with Supreme Screen Supply, you're getting all this at wholesale. So that's kind of the benefit of being able to really develop a large brand. You know, if you're a brand company, a large t-shirt company, or you're, you know, a corporate company and you need to be able to provide your own custom apparel line, you can do all that here at very, very great prices. And they pretty much got the process locked down. So We're going to continue to let them line it up, and then we're going to basically see how the production runs. Now they're adding the shirt. So once the shirt goes in, now they can put your custom flyer or your sticker in the back of the shirt. So now when you receive the shirt, the client sees the front graphic design, and when you flip it around, they'll see your flyer and a custom sticker that you've added to the package for branding.
So one thing I really want to emphasize is for you guys to be creative. Build your brands, your clothing lines, sell t-shirts, build your business, create a following. Let us do the work. As you can see in this video, we have the machinery, the experience, the knowledge to get the job done right. We've been doing it for a really long time. This is something you don't have to worry about in your clothing brand. The execution of the decorating. Sell the brand, get your message out there. Use bright colors, do whatever it is that you guys do to make your followers impressed or excited or whatever it is that you're going for. Get your organization out there. Let us do the work. We're the people behind the scenes that make you look good. Our prices are wholesale. You have room to make profit. No reason not to try it.
Patterson Print Shops.
I am Patterson Print Shops. I'm Pat Patterson. It's my original business that I started in 1998. And throughout the years, we have several offshoots of that business. We have Supreme Screen Supply. We got fit19store.com. And then we have 3 locations for Patterson Print Shops here in the Southern California area. But there's something going to be dropping in the next couple of weeks for GTF for all the retail customers who don't have a resale license, where you can go on and order. So stay tuned for that.
So as you can see, guys, it's very easy when it comes to the process of being able to create your own brand or be able to supply your own print shop. So again, as you saw, my own brand was able to complete an order on their website and was able to come here and see the actual process of how it's done from start to finish. So from creating the screens to creating the actual product, and then actually seeing them bag and tag the shirts with the sizes I need. My product is now ready for distribution either to my client or to my shop or even other shops that sell my brand. So they make it very easy. They make it super affordable. So I'd highly recommend that all you guys who are interested in creating a brand for your business, go to supremescreensupply.com and get your order placed. That way you can start making money in this economy today that's rising and become a superstar. Thanks for watching. Till the next video, my name is James. Like, subscribe, and I'm out, y'all. Peace. I need to open you up more.
Sorry. Open me up more. There's a blooper for you. So as you can see, Supreme Screen Supply. Sorry.
And action.
As you can see, Supreme Screen Supply.
And action.
As you can see, Supreme Screen Supply is your #1 choice for wholesale screen printing. Supreme Screen Supply, Supreme Screen Supply. All right.